guys, it's midday and we've just stopped for a little snack at one of our favorite camping spots, and we figured we would just take you through what we have packed in our car all the time and for emergency preparedness stuff, and then also what we pack for a day trip. So we've got 4 different cases. We've got one with kind of all the essentials: flashlight, tow rope, jumper cables. We've got flares, gloves. We've got one medical bag kit with everything you would need in case you get hurt, which hopefully you don't. And then we've got our food pack here. So we've got a couple of bottles of water, some bars, we've got some beef jerky, Kleenex, garbage bags, which we'll go over in a minute. So make sure that you in your food bag have items that can be perishable, so they last for a while. So if you're a vegetarian or don't like beef or teriyaki, find something else that lasts for a while and just make sure you switch it out every couple of months. We also have a fire extinguisher, blanket, and then we have a bag full of just kind of some essential tools, screwdriver, plier, your knife here. So that's kind of what we keep in our car all the time. If you don't have a lot of storage room in your car, I found that these packing cubes that you can get on like Amazon are really great because you can squish a lot of stuff in them and shove them underneath your seat and they don't really move around. So those are perfect. For our day trip type of stuff, what we like to bring is we have our Garmin GPS, and we also have GPS on our 4Runner as well. So we use both of those to know where we're going. We've got our backpack here with our navigation or our compass, whistle, bear spray, air horn, our hiking shoes, and it is still kind of springtime here. It hasn't really gotten to summertime, so some of the roads that we start exploring could have downed trees. So we got this electric chainsaw to take with us on our ventures so that if we run into roads that have trees down, we can clear those so more people can get through. And then we also just bring a bag of food and water. We make sure that we have plenty of bottles of water to take with us. Just some food and snacks just in case something happens when we're out, so we have enough sustenance to get us by. So one thing that I want to cover is leave the forest better than you found it. So I don't know if you guys can see here kind of in the foreground, there's a ton of beer cans, a ton of garbage. So we do tend to pick up what we see and what we can, so that's why it's good to carry extra garbage bags with you. So just clean up the forest when you're there, even if it's not your garbage. Unfortunately, people leave it up. You would think beer cans would be easier to take out because they're empty, but that's what we find the most of. So we would appreciate you guys packing out other people's garbage when you're out in the forest.